Hi there. Thought I would just record a quick tutorial today to explain how do Facebook and Instagram ads work for Pilates studios. So very quick thing to get right at the beginning is to think about ads in a different way. So typically when people start using Facebook ads or Instagram ads for a Pilates studio, they unfortunately think of it like a billboard. So the idea being if you put the billboard with the right message in front of the right people, they're going to be signing up for classes and becoming clients. But unfortunately, the Facebook ads that are designed to get new students for you are not really going to be effective that way. You need to think of it more like an old school coupon. So coupons usually offer some kind of discount or enticement, such as a bonus or something. And in this case, you want to be offering that enticement in order to get people into your marketing funnel. So the way this works typically for Pilates studios is they target new students and they offer them free classes. So not more than one necessarily, but at least a free class in order to get them in the door. And the idea is you'll get a certain amount of people in, and a certain percentage of those people will sign on for a bigger package or for an ongoing membership. So an ad might look something like this. This one is from Club Pilates. You can see it if you Google search Facebook ad library. You can actually look up any brand that does Facebook advertising to see what ads they run. It's part of a public transparency thing by Facebook. But in any case, you can see this is a very simple ad. I probably wouldn't write it this simple myself, but this is pretty much to the point. They say click learn more to receive a free Pilates class. So the question is, what happens when you click the learn more button? So you really have two options here. Most people will send them to a Facebook form. So a Facebook form is something that looks like this. Once you click it on mobile, it will bring up this form that can collect your name, phone number, and email, as well as some custom questions and custom messages. But the point is that you need to use a Facebook form and not drive people off Facebook onto a website, for example, so that you can contain all the information on Facebook. These days, there's a lot of data protection laws. So sometimes if you drive them off Facebook onto your website, for example, it's a little bit harder for Facebook to track. So if Facebook can track it properly, they can optimize the ads a lot better, which means that the ads will be cheaper over time. So what happens once you fill out this form? Typically, you can see here that this is what they're using. They're asking for your first name, last name, email, phone number, and then they ask you to accept their terms and conditions of privacy. And then you can see here it says our team will be reaching out to you shortly with more information about our classes, schedules, and any special offers we may have. So somebody is going to be calling this lead. So where does this lead actually go on Facebook? So it'll go into your Facebook lead center, and then you will need to have someone in your team call the lead to help schedule them in for their free session. And then the rest is sort of up to you to make sure that you convince them to have a really good time, a good Pilates experience, and that they feel rejuvenated and energized to continue on with a membership or to buy a package. So I hope that was a good, easy overview of how Facebook ads works for Pilates studios. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I would be happy to help. Thanks.